Hello, this is my presentation of CS50W Project-4 network. For the first requirement, if I am signed in, I will be able to create a new post by filling out the text area. After posting, my post will be appeared in all post page. If I click on all posts, it will show me the all posts from the all users with the most recent post first. Each post has the poster username, date and time, post content, and the number of like of that post. If I click on a username, it will load the user's profile page that displays the number of followers and the following of that user. As I am not signed in as Ron, for this I see a follow button and an unfollow button. But if I visit on Harry's profile page, I see here is no follow button because I am signed in as Harry. If I am signed in, I will see a following button on the navigation bar. I see here is no post. If I follow Max, I will be able to see all posts from Max in my following page. In the same way, if I follow Ron, I will see all posts from Ron in my following page. If I go back to all posts, I will see a next button on the bottom of this page. By clicking it, I will see the older posts by the users. I see here a previous button to go back to the previous page. As I am signed in as Harry, I will be able to edit all of the posts of Harry, but not others' posts. If I click edit, the post content will be replaced by a text area. After editing, I will be able to save it. Now I see the edited post here. Moreover, I will be able to like or unlike any of the users' posts. And this was my project 4. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.